Hello, Creative Crafty Lovely, and welcome to my channel. This is a VR project share for Mariann's Craft Corner, who is celebrating 50 years old, and that is such a wonderful milestone birthday. So in honor of that, she is hosting a giveaway challenge, and she is asking for a memory decks card. So let me show you what I am sending her. So here is her birthday card, and in here I just have a bunch of 50s, and then here is some little candles, and it is embossed, so that is going to her. So here is my memory decks card to her, and I am so happy I can finally scratch this off my to-do list. I got the tutorial from Little Pink Crafter, but this is so cute, and it's just a little bookcase, and in the back I have all of my information. And these right here, you can actually fit a lot, and you open them up, and I'll show you what I'm going to include in there. But so you open them up like this, and the way I'm going to close them is I actually have one of those hair rubber bands, and so I'm going to put it right here, and then that way it just closes up nicely. I am so happy, like I said, that I can finally scratch this off. And so this is what the spines of the books look like, just to give you an idea. Here are the items that I am going to include in the books. And I purchased all of the bows right here from Gloria's Craft Hauls and More. And these are some little rosettes that I made, and only 2 of them fit. So I'm going to fill up the rest of them with these bows, and then with some pom-poms. And I am also including some beautiful rosettes that I also purchased from Gloria. And she does beautiful rosettes. I mean, look at this. They're so chunky, and I love how she puts the glitter all the way around. I will go ahead and include Mariann's channel down in the description below, along with a tutorial to Little Pink Crafter and Gloria if you want to purchase some bows or some rosettes from her. And that way, if you're also not familiar with them, you can go and follow them and show them some crafty love. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate you stopping by. I hope that you are having a beautiful and crafty day. Bye!